Good morning, everybody. Well, this morning it's a beautiful 68, 69 degrees. And we're having a nice warm morning. Thank you. Sun is shining bright. Well, she's getting excited. I don't know, I guess she's scared hearing dogs out. But no, today we're going to talk about your chickens and taking care of your chickens in the winter. And I've been watching a lot of videos on move, girl. What we were saying a minute ago, we've been watching a lot of videos on your chickens and taking care of them in the winter. And I've seen just so many different people with their chickens, and especially in colder climates. And it's cold here, but nothing like it is in the upper states and stuff. But I'm going to show you something to do for your chickens that really helps them in the winter with their legs. Now they'll start getting real scaly, real dry, and they'll bust and they'll crack real bad if you don't do this to their feet sometimes. And this is really good for cold climate. Now what I'm going to show you is I've got two different things that I use on them. And my brother has done this for years. He's raised them for, I guess, 40 some years, and he's took care of his chickens, and it helps with his chickens. But what I'm going to show you what to do is we've got two different products. One is Vaseline, and this one is olive oil. And what you want to do is, squirt bottle's best. I've got a little squirt bottle. Just take your little foot and put the oil on it and rub it on their legs. Just like you would yours when they're dry. Put a little oil. And rub them in on it. That'll keep all that build up too. There's a bit mud and stuff will get between their toes and stuff. Okay, then you want to take a little Vaseline and rub on your chicken's legs, all the way up them. Now guys, what this will help prevent too is drying, cracking, bleeding, and chicken mites. If your chicken has chicken mites, it'll keep the chicken mites from getting on their legs. Now she's ready for cold winter. And one of the smartest things to never do with your chickens, we got a little feather, is let them out on snow, because they will get frostbite. Their little feet will get frostbite, and they can actually lose a leg, and their skin will bust and crack and bleed, and once they start bleeding, the other chickens will peck them. But yeah, she smells good now. I'll show you her little feet now. And you do this about once every 3-4 months. Just keep an eye on their little feet. And this is very good for the winter, for your chickens. It keeps the scale from being so scaly and dry and cracked and busted. But yeah, this is Junior's little sister. So now she's ready. She's ready to go. There you go. Now she feels better. little tip to keep your chickens safe in the wintertime when it's blistering cold on their feet. But yeah, never let them out on snow. Now, if it's you've got it covered and they've got some plain without cold, without the snow on the ground, that's fine, like a little covering. But if you let them on snow, their feet will get frostbite, and they will crack, bleed, and they can lose a leg. But all right, guys, Vaseline and olive oil. Hope you guys have a wonderful Sunday. Bye-bye.